The universe began as a zit on God's nose. God popped it, and what came out went flying across the room and stuck to the bathroom mirror. Every morning, when God shaves, he looks at the universe and smiles. Everyone who believes in God also believes that God does not live in our universe. In fact, he created our universe from somewhere else, heaven, nirvana, wherever. It's just not here. Within our universe, you cannot measure things outside our universe. It's like in the book Flatland. To a square living on a plane, a sphere passing through that plane looks like a point appearing out of nowhere, growing into a circle, then shrinking down into a point again, then disappearing. How can the square measure the sphere if the sphere isn't touching the plane? It can't. Thus, the problem of trying to rectify God through science. Science is all about explaining what happens in our universe. Things outside our universe cannot be measured and therefore are not real as defined by science. This means that God is not part of science. Aha! God is a concept of philosophy. You cannot prove nor disprove God with science. You can merely contemplate him. This means it is completely unscientific to say God created the universe. However, more importantly, it is equally unscientific to say God didn't create the universe, because he can't know what happened outside of our universe. That puts atheism and theism on the same playing field. Both are philosophies about something they cannot prove nor disprove. A non-philosophical scientist would be agnostic. They're like a neutral referee who understands but doesn't agree with either philosophy, and they certainly aren't trying to force their beliefs on you. Let's keep the scientists in science class and the philosophers in philosophy class, and try to recognize the awesome difference between the two.